Hello guys, welcome to yet another video from Gilbot. In this short video, I'll be explaining the various screen refresh rate options available on the ROG Phone 5, which is one of the few smartphones available in the country with 144Hz refresh rate display. As you can see, it offers multiple screen refresh rate modes including 60Hz, 120Hz, 144Hz and an auto mode where it will automatically select a refresh rate depending on the content playing on the screen. It also depends on the actual game that you might play. Not all the games support 144Hz or 120Hz gaming experience. So, on a game like the Clash of Clans, you will only get a maximum frame rate of 60Hz. Now, let's go to settings and actually look at the Facebook app and how it looks with a 60Hz refresh rate. As we are actually recording this, which is being recorded with a 60 frames per second limit, you won't be able to actually see the smoothness, but you should be able to get when I scroll through the apps and the social media platforms. This is the 120Hz mode where the phone will lock the refresh rate at 120Hz. As you can see, it will feel a little bit smoother when compared to the regular 60Hz. However, with the regular 60Hz, you will get much smoother animations and better battery life when compared to 120Hz or 144Hz refresh rate. Now, as you can see, this is currently in the 120Hz refresh rate, and if I go back and change to the 144Hz refresh rate, scrolling on social media sites like Facebook and Twitter will feel much smoother when compared to 60Hz and 120Hz. This is again depends on the actual refresh rate that is being offered on the specific app or game. So with most social media apps, we can actually utilize the 144Hz refresh rate to get a smooth gaming experience. As you can see in this game, as soon as I open that game, in the information you can see I am actually getting a real-time screen refresh rate or frame rate of around 60Hz. So again, this is actually a limitation of that specific app or game. So even though if you have a phone with 140Hz refresh rate, you might not be able to use it fully on some of the apps and games available on Android. Again, if you are scrolling on social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, you can actually feel the smooth flow of the animation, smooth flow of the pages when the phone is set to the higher refresh rate. I once again like to make a mention that the ROG Phone 5 offers a peak screen refresh rate of 144Hz, and you can also tone down the refresh rate to 60Hz, 120Hz, and there is also an auto mode which will actually keep the refresh rate locked at 120Hz, not the 144Hz. So if you want the full highest refresh rate available option, you should always keep it at 144Hz. Even if you enable the X mode on the ROG Phone 5, the refresh rate will be locked at 120Hz. Again, I am showing you on the Clash of Clans game, even though the screen refresh rate is set to 120Hz, it can only produce 60Hz because that is a limitation of that specific game. As you can see, I am opening now the Call of Duty, which also offers a maximum FPS of 60Hz on Android smartphone. So even in the X mode, where it actually locks the refresh rate to 120Hz, you can actually see the average refresh rate or the frame rate of this game on the ROG Phone 5 is around 60Hz, as you can see in the console now. So let us actually look at the gameplay on the X mode using the ROG Phone 5.
Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down. Hard point contested. Hard point contested. UAV recon ready for deployment. It's too close. Fight hard. Hostiles have the hard point.
Need backup! Tango down!
Hard point is ours.
Reloading! Cover me!
Hard point contested. Hard point contested. Hard point contested. Hard point contested.
Tango down! Enemy contact!
Hard point contested.
Tango down! Tango down! Need backup!
Hard point contested.
Target down!
Hard point contested. Hard point identified.
Need backup! Sniper eliminated!
Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down.
Contact with enemy! Backup! Tango down! Sniper eliminated!
Hard point contested. Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is ours. Hard point lost. Hard point locked down. Hard point contested. Hard point identified. Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is ours. Hard point contested. 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 Locked down. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point is ours. Hard point lost. Hard point locked down. Hostiles have the hard point. Hard point is ours. Hostiles have captured the hard point. Hard point locked down.
Enemy down!
Hard point lost. Hardpoint